Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So what's better than getting a handmade gift from a friend? I decided to make this for a friend of mine. She does a lot of food preservation, and this is called a sauerkraut pounder. When you're putting food that you're canning or preserving in a jar, you use this with mason jars to pound the food in. It breaks it down and I believe helps with fermentation. So today in the shop we're going to make this maple sauerkraut pounder. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I had this piece of maple that's perfect for this. It's right around 2 inches thick. So I cut it to the same diameter, so 2 by 2 is how we start off. Then I just need to mark the centers and use an awl to put a little indentation into the wood. This gets it ready to attach to the lathe or mount on the lathe. That's the drive spur on the lathe. You pound it in so that it will actually turn the wood, so it has a bite. Here I'm just using a roughing gouge to actually turn the square stock into a cylinder. This takes just a few minutes. I use a couple of different tools. See, I'm just wiping on water after I sanded it once, let it dry, then sand a second time. That makes for a really smooth surface that won't get rough when it gets wet.